Hello viewers and welcome once again to Samuel Mwenda channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix a string or a wire into your Wandindi. Welcome.
Today we are not going to buy a wire, a guitar wire. Today we are going to get our wire from an old brake cable belonging to a motorbike. And one cable has several wires twisted together. And what we are going to do here is untwist one of the wires. One of the wires is the one that we are going to use for wiring our Wandindi. And here we have to untwist that wire. You can see we have remained with several wires twisted together. Continue untwisting the wire. Look at that. You need to now cut it from the rest of the wires using pliers there, a pair of pliers. And here we have our string wire with us. That is it. But look at it, it's crooked and twisted. We need to straighten it a bit. We need to straighten it so that it will work for us. Yeah, I need to untwist. I need to straighten that point. First of all, I tie a knot there so that I'll be able to hold both sides when I'll be straightening the wire or string. I get the help of our pliers there so that I'll be able to hold it well. That is it on the other end. Straighten it a little bit. You need to straighten it a little bit there. Uh, this piece of wood will be our help here as we try to hold the wire to be able to straighten it. This top is going to help us do it. Squeeze it so that it will straighten. Now, because of the steel, we need to reduce the smoothness of that wire so that it will be somehow rough, so that it can produce the desired sound. Therefore, we need to scratch it using that pliers so that it will straighten and then reduce the smoothness. It is heavily coated in steel, and therefore uh, very difficult to produce the desired sound. Therefore, we need to scratch it. You see, then the string now is straight enough. Reduce the smoothness with that pair of pliers by squeezing it, by scratching it until it is straight. Now I think that one is enough. That one is enough. Therefore, we need to now untie the wire. Now we need to tie it on our Wandindi. One end on the resonator, and the other end on the tuning peg. Tie the first one on the resonator. That one I think is okay. And the other one on the tuning peg. And in our Wandindi, that wire needs some straightening there near the resonator. Try to scratch it at least to give it some roughness so that it will produce the sound that we want. I think now that one is enough. That one is enough. Now we need to tie a knot on the other end. On the tuning peg. And in our case, our tuning peg is a 4-inch nail. Here we need to get some help from a piece of cloth to increase the grip of the string and to reduce the unnecessary vibrations. Here we tie our string. On the tuning peg. We tie our string on the tuning peg or our wire. The notes now. Now we have fastened it. But we need to tighten it a little bit so that it will produce the sound that we need. through the loose end using a pliers. Now I think we have done our job there. We need to tighten the string using the tuning peg. Tighten it a little bit, tighten it, and trying to play it a little bit so that you can listen to the pitch. Tighten it to the desired pitch. Now we need to fix the branch on its place. Now the branch is in its place. Tighten the wire a little bit. Now our instrument is ready for you to play. Now you can play your desired tune. You can hear that our instrument is okay. And thank you so